Arnold from Sugarland has a foundation problem.
He was walking around his house, Tom, and he found these. This is the edge of his thing, and these are thinging. And
that's too bad.
He says it looks like rebar protruding from the slab, except it has several braided strands, and he's never noticed it before, and it sticks out about 4 to 6 inches, as you can see. Arnold wants to know, what is that thing?
Post-tension slab. That's one of the tension cables. That's why it's braided, because it's a cable. And they're supposed to cut those off back behind the concrete, and they're supposed to put a layer of concrete, or mud as we call it, over the top so it's nice and smooth. Very common. On post-tension slabs, you'll see these little round spots where they covered up where they cut the cable. They didn't do that. Here's the problem with that. If you leave that out there, it's going to rust and deteriorate. And then all of a sudden the cable will snap because the connector is exposed to the weather. So you need to have that addressed and taken care of. But that's what it is. It's not rebar. You have a post-tension slab.
How does one address and correct that, Tom?
I don't know of a company that comes out and does that, but you'll have to find someone that can. But somebody's going to have to come out. I don't know how old the house is.
But what are they going to do when they come out to fix it?
They're going to cut the cable back behind the concrete. Then they're going to just put some mud over it, hopefully.
Okay, so they're going to do what the builder should have done in the first place.
Exactly. What it is, it's an unfinished subcontractor job. And this is where contractors are really important. I remember when I was in the business, nobody got paid until they were finished. Not, I'll come back next week and handle that.
Right.
You know what I'm getting at? That happens in business, I'm sure, at all levels of business. But you have to be 100% finished. They were not.
Okay. Foundation repair company, maybe?
You could call Due West, and certainly Due West would give advice. Okay. You know they always do.
All right.
They're good people.
All right, maybe that's where you head with that. All right, and you can head this way with your questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them just like that, just like these videos over here. And, of course, we appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.